Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, April 8, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am very tired today.
Me too. I need 2 big cups of coffee.
I understand. I have 4 long meetings today.
The coffee machine is very slow today.
Yes, I think it needs more water.
I can put more water in the machine.
Thank you, David. That is very nice of you.
No problem. We need our coffee to start the day.
How is the traffic this morning?
The traffic is very bad. I wait in my car for 45 minutes.
I take the train to work. It is very fast.
Maybe I need to take the train too.
Yes, the train ticket is only $3.
That is very cheap. Gas for the car is expensive.
Everything is very expensive right now.
I know. I read the news this morning.
Did you read the Wall Street Journal?
Yes, the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates at 5%.
That is very high. It affects our company.
It is very bad for my sales.
Why is it bad for your sales?
Money is expensive. Companies do not want to buy things.
That is true. We need to change our project budgets.
Exactly. My clients say no to my offers.
Inflation is still a big problem for everyone.
I see that at the supermarket every week.
Food is very expensive. A simple lunch is $15.
I bring my lunch from home now.
That is a very smart idea, David. What do you have for lunch today?
I have a chicken sandwich and an apple.
That sounds very healthy.
Yes, I want to eat better food.
I usually eat a salad at my desk.
You need to leave your desk for lunch.
I know, but I have too much work.
I try to sell more products, but it is hard.
You are a very good sales representative. You can do it.
Thank you, Alex. Your projects are always very organized.
I try my best. I use new software to plan everything.
Technology changes very fast.
Yes, but the new technology brings new problems.
Are you talking about artificial intelligence?
Yes, I read an article in the New York Times today.
What does the article say about it?
The European Union has new rules for artificial intelligence.
That is very interesting. Are the rules strict?
Yes, they want to protect people and private data.
I use artificial intelligence for my sales emails.
You need to be careful with client information.
I only use it to write basic text.
The new law affects many big tech companies.
Do they pay big fines for breaking the rules?
Yes, fines can be $35 million.
That is a lot of money for a mistake.
They want safe technology for everyone in the world.
I think rules are good for the internet.
Artificial intelligence can write computer code too.
Really? That is amazing.
Yes, our computer programmers use it every day.
Do they work faster now?
Yes, they finish projects in 2 weeks instead of 4 weeks.
That saves the company a lot of money.
Exactly. But we still need human workers.
I am happy to hear that. I need my job.
I agree. We use too much technology at work.
My computer screen makes my eyes very tired.
You need to take a break every 60 minutes.
This coffee break is very good for my eyes.
The coffee is very strong today.
I like strong coffee. It gives me a lot of energy.
We need energy for the rest of the year.
Yes, 2026 is a very busy year for us.
Are you going to take a vacation soon?
I want to take 2 weeks in the summer.
Where do you want to go for your vacation?
I want to stay here and watch football games.
Are you excited about the World Cup?
Yes, I read the sports news in USA today.
What is the news about the World Cup?
FIFA says the final match is in New York.
That is very close to our city.
I want to buy tickets for the final match.
I think tickets are very expensive.
Yes, some tickets are $1,000.
That is crazy. I prefer to watch it on television.
But the stadium is amazing. MetLife Stadium has 82,000 seats.
That is a very big crowd of people.
It is a historic event for the country.
3 countries host the games this time.
Yes, the United States, Mexico, and Canada.
It is very good for the local economy.
Many tourists bring money to the cities.
Hotels and restaurants make a lot of profit.
Maybe I can sell our products to the tourists.
You always think about sales, David.
That is my job. I love selling things to people.
Do you play football, David?
Yes, I play with my friends every weekend.
That is good exercise.
It is very fun. We play for 2 hours.
I do not play sports. I prefer to read books.
Reading is good, but sports keep you active.
I need to manage the new marketing project today.
When is your first meeting this morning?
My first meeting is at 10 in the morning.
You have 30 minutes to prepare for it.
I am ready. The presentation is on my computer.
You are always very prepared, Alex.
A project manager needs to be very organized.
I just talk to people and smile a lot.
You do more than that. You close big deals.
I try. I have a phone call with a new client at 11.
Is it a local client from the city?
No, the client is from London.
You need to speak very clear English on the phone.
My English is very good. I practice every day.
Yes, it is. Do you want more coffee?
No, thank you. 1 cup is enough for me now.
I need to drink some cold water.
Water is very healthy for your body.
I try to drink 8 glasses of water every day.
I only drink coffee and sweet soda.
That is not very healthy, David.
I know. I need to change my bad habits.
You can start tomorrow morning.
That is a very good idea.
I need to go to my desk now.
Me too. I need to answer 20 emails.
Good luck with your sales call today.
Thank you. Good luck with your big meetings.
Have a good day, David.
See you later, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.